Welcome back, everyone. Today I am in X-Plane and I'll be doing a little traffic circle in a Cessna. I like traffic patterns a lot because they're like just a nice short quick flight. I don't like long flights very much. As you can see, my plane looks quite nice. I know I haven't changed the paint job, but yeah. You can see my rudder moving, and yeah, you might be able to see my rudder. So my pilot's looking pretty nice, and we're ready to go. So I'm in my cockpit. I like to be able to see my yoke. So you can see I just put the yoke down, and so let's take off. Full throttle, brakes off. Yeah, you have to counteract the Cessnas. If Cessna wants to turn left, you've got to counteract that with some rudder. It does decrease your acceleration. It does slow down your acceleration, but it's fine. I can handle it. We've hit 55 knots. We have airspeed. Okay. So I'm going to fly for a little bit. And then I'll do the first turn of the traffic pattern. I've done quite a lot of traffic patterns, like 20 or something like that. I've done quite a lot. And I love doing it in a Cessna. They're really good to do. I'm going to be there very soon. Do my first turn any minute now. I'm almost at 100 knots. I'm aiming to climb to about 1,100 feet before I do my turn. Let's hope I can do that. Little speed is 10 knots. I'm almost at 1,100. At 1,000, and then I'll be able to make my first turn. And you can see I'm getting quite close to the mountains over there. Yeah. There, I'm able to make my turn now. I've hit 1,100. Okay, I'm turning. Oh no, I'm at 1,200. I can correct that. It's fine. I correct it. I'm almost done. Yeah. Oh, 1,300. I wonder where I'm at 1,300. Okay, I can level out now. Oh, I'm way too high. I'm at 1,500. That's way too high. I'm gonna try and get a bit lower. Oh no, I'm going quite fast now. Well, it isn't fast in like a jet plane standards, but it is fast in a second turn. Making my second turn, and I'm reducing to about half throttle since I'm on the crosswind phase. Yeah, I'm almost ready to level out. Ready? Yeah, I can level out any minute now. Ready? I'm able to level out now. Made my first turn. Cool. It'll be my first turn. I'm gonna make my second turn when I reach that far island. All right. Reach that far island pretty soon. almost there. I'll be there pretty soon. I'm trying to reduce to about 800 feet. I'm trying to decrease my altitude to about 800 feet, and I'm a bit too low now. A bit too low. Let's try and get a bit higher. By the way, I could just use this time. It's going to be a little teeny bit until I reach that little island there. I'd just like to say that please leave a comment in the box below. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about it. Alright? And please like it. Alright? Okay. We've almost hit the we almost hit it. We almost hit the thing. Hit the island. Be able to do my turn in a minute. I'm able to make my turn. We're almost there. Ready. Okay, I've leveled out. Just turning the... Yeah, I'm at about 700 feet. Yeah, I tried to descend just by about 100, so yeah, I'm doing pretty well. I'm going to start making my turn now. Oh no, the runway's over there? What? The runway's over there? Ooh, I'm going to have to try and realign myself. I thought the runway was a bit closer to me than it actually was. Oh no. Trying to realign myself with the runway. I'm going to realign myself in a minute. I'm going to try and do a nice final, but it is going to be a little bit hard because of me not looking carefully at where the runway is. I'm lowering my first notch of flaps. Now second. I've done my third. I've got full flaps. I think I am coming in a bit too gradually. Yeah, I think I should. Next time I'm going to come in at a bit more of a steep angle. This is a bit too gradual. Yeah, this is a bit too gradual. And I'm still quite off. So I'm going to try and realign myself just before I hit the runway. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to try and realign myself now. Almost ready. There. I've kind of realigned myself well enough that I'm not crazily off like I was when I first noticed I was not aligned. I'd probably be landing in that little lake you can see over there. But luckily I've realigned myself and I think I'm alright. We're almost there. Almost there. We're almost there. Any minute now I'm going to touch down. That's a bit too little throttle. I think I should next time I'll keep a bit of throttle. I'm going to try and pull up a little bit just before I hit the ground, so that my nose is just above the horizon. And I think that landing was alright, actually. Yeah, they're pulling on my brakes. And I'm just trying to align myself with the centre of the runway. Oh, I'm going to stop in a minute. Ready? I've stopped. Cool. If you like my video, please like it, like I said earlier, and please leave a comment in the space below. And if you liked it, please watch another one of my videos. Bye!